You know what's, yung talagang thankful ako, not just for me, pero for everyone who knows him, ay napaka-selfless niyang tao. Minsan, inuuna pa niya yung kapakanan ng mga kapatid niya, mga kaibigan, bago sarili. So, as a vice mayor, kahit na pagod yan, kahit nagaling biyahe, pag malaman niyang may nangangailangan sa kanya, kahit hindi na umuwi, kahit di na mag-business, diretso siya kagad to be at the aid of others. And that's also what he gives us in terms of friendship. So that's what we're really thankful for. He has such a huge and generous heart. I believe that no battle is big enough to overwhelm someone with a heart as big as Francis Zamora. Because, yung pinapaglaban naman nila is goodness, service, for the people. So it's a good thing. So when you're working for a good thing, instead of calling it a battle, it's more of like it's more of like an endeavor, di ba? So imbes na pinapaglaban niya yung kabutihan, tinatrabaho niya yung kabutihan para sa tao. So hindi ako worried para sa kanya. He's already doing a great job. And ipagpatuloy lang niya what he already is in the first place, So as long as he just continues being Francis Zamora, then I think all his plans will definitely come into fruition because he has everything that it takes to be a great leader.